magnificent beast, and it's 300 kilos, which is roughly just over 600 weight. Quite an old one. Looks like a wrought iron body, and we're just going to get it levelled and attached to the block, and then in this area here we're going to build our new forge, and this is all going to be undercover. So the first thing to do is get the anvil in position. So there we go, roughly 42 inches long and 6.5 inches wide on the table. It's not in too bad a condition. I believe it's what's described as a Soho pattern, and it required a forklift truck to lift it into position. So there we go. Thanks for watching.